Thank you for joining me. I'm Alexander and I want to talk about Johnson & Johnson. So what they do is like all the things, you know, shampoo, pharmaceuticals, many things. They also have a vaccine now, which is called the Janssen vaccine by Johnson & Johnson. The Johnson & Johnson Janssen vaccine. Any other name would have been good. Literally any other name. And I hate that people now call it Janssen & Johnson because, it's Moderna, it's Pfizer, it's not Johnson & Johnson. Okay. Current stock price $161.64, which gives the market cap of $426 billion. Revenue $82.6 billion, which is slightly up, which I see as a huge plus in, this whole thing. Earnings $14.7 billion, which is slightly down, which is not terrible. That gives them PE of 29 with a forward PE of 17, which is also not terrible. Dividend yield 2.5% with a payout ratio of 72%, also not terrible. I mean, you can get better, but, Johnson & Johnson has been around for a while, and, the dividend is not terrible, the company is stable, seems to be going well, so not terrible there. Total assets $175 billion, total liabilities $112 billion, which gives them a total stockholders equity of $63 billion. Also not terrible, but it's like 15% of their market cap, which is not great, but it's not terrible. Not terrible at all. Risk factors, I mean, they're doing all the things, so I don't think that they are really at the risk of anything. That's kind of the goal with diversification. So overall, for a growth investor, obviously big pharma not going to be great, even in a global pandemic. For a dividend investor, I think this is a very decent stock to look into. Dividend is decent. The PE is, forward PE is decent. Balance sheet is decent. And company is very stable. So you could probably just invest something in this and just leave it alone for probably decades. Obviously, you still check every year. For a value investor, I think that the forward PE is really nice. Dividend yield is okay. Balance sheet looks nice. Revenue growth is there. So I think that you should probably look into this stock as well if you're a value investor. Obviously, always do your own research, but with the company being as stable as it is, I don't really imagine that could ever be a bad investment. That's it from me for today. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe. I'm coming out with more videos every day before market open. I hope you have a successful day.